ritmo es all you need, all you need, all you need. El ritmo es all you need, all you need.
Hello everybody, so we're from El Ritmo and today we're going to dance! Today we're going to dance. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you some moves and you're just going to follow us. And we're here to have some fun. So come on, stand up and let's have some fun. Are we ready, girls? Yes, we are ready. Alright, boys and girls, so first what we're going to do is we're just going to teach you the chorus. So it goes like this. We're going to bring our hands up, move them side to side. And then from there we're going to wave to one side, then to the other side. And then with your feet, you're going to bring them to your shoulder and you're going to go one, take it to the other shoulder, bring them together and spin. Right, okay, so let's do the chorus together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and wave. Fist together and turn. Well done. From there, we're going to take 3 steps forwards and we're going to reach up. Are we ready? So let's go. Take 3 steps forwards. 1, 2, 3, and up. And then go back. 1, 2, 3, and we do a Superman shape here. Yes. Now from there with our thumbs, we're going to bring our thumbs towards our chest. And again, and then with our palms, we're going to bounce it 2 times towards us. So let's do that together. Should we do it? Okay, so walking forward. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, reach up. Back, 2, 3, Superman. Thumb, and palm. Good. And then from there, we're going to go back to a chorus. Okay, are we ready to go with music? Yeah.
Oh, Adelaide, hola, 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 qué bonita, hermosa. Oh, Adelaide, hola, 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 qué bonita, hermosa.
Hola amiguitos, the day has arrived, ha llegado la hora para pasear. The city, my place, se llama Adelaide, la belleza del alma es mi ciudad. Streets son las calles, de bringas mucha, vienes con mis amigos para jugar. Ven conmigo, vamos a disfrutar.
Oh, Adelaide, hola, 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 qué bonita, hermosa. Oh, Adelaide, hola, 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 qué bonita, hermosa.
Well done, boys and girls. Okay, so from there we're going just to clap. We're going to go single, double, single, double, single, double. So we move our hips and we move our hands. Now, what comes from there? What are we going to do then? The bend salute. That's right. So before that, we're going to step forward, and then we're going to what, Maria?
Wait.
We're going to do the wavy move. That's it. So let's go back from here. We're going to step, wave, and then what, Emma?
The bend salute.
Woo, the bend salute. Okay, and then we'll repeat that again. But this time we're going to go out, and now the bend will come up. Yeah? So instead of going here, we're going to go up this time.
Like dolphins.
Like
But
a
with both
dolphin.
hands.
With both hands, that's it. So let's go step out, and wave your hands up. And we do that again, and again. But this time what do? We are pointing our fingers. Mimi. That's it, we call it the Mimi. Alright, let's go from the top from here. Alright, so here we go. 1, 2, double, 1, 2, that's it. 1, 2, double, again. Double. Now, so we step 1 and 2, here comes the wave, that's it. And
Salute.
and again, so out. 1 and 2, and again. Perfect. Okay, now from there we're going to move our hands to the side. The push away. That's right. So, oh sorry guys, so don't forget from here, we go here. Actually, let's do that again, can we? Let's do that again. Okay, so let's go from here. So step, down. That's it. Step,
Bend salute.
step, out, and again.
Then wave.
going to do the push, away, and side to side, and there we go. All right, and then from there, we're going to go back to our 3 steps forward. So let's go 3 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, and up. And then we're going to go back. But this time, you're going to bring your heart up and you're going to push out. That's it. And then let's do that again. 1, 2, 3. Now make a big stretch to the side. Yes. And then back. And so you're just going to hold your hands together and then spin. All right. So let's do that. All those steps with music. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
His name is the star.
The star. That's right.
And the hand twist.
And the hand twist, I love that. We can do the hand twist. Don't forget, guys. So we do the star and the hand twist. All right, guys, let's do it.
Loca de autos andando, respecting each other, el peatón cruzando. Mi escuela, mi casa, las tiendas, los mares, the bring us the magic es mi ciudad. Hay playas y bosques, museos y parques, hermosos lugares para pasear. Ven conmigo, vamos a disfrutar. Beautiful people and places to enjoy. Junto estoy yo, together we grow. My city, my place, lugar tan feliz. To follow my dreams to my destiny.
Oh, Adelaide, hola, 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 qué bonita, hermosa. Oh, Adelaide, hola, 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 qué bonita, hermosa. Oh, Adelaide, hola, 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 qué bonita, hermosa. Oh, Adelaide, hola, 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 qué bonita, hermosa.
Well done, boys and girls. Okay, so here we go for the last beat of the song. What we're going to do is you're going to bring your feet forward and wave at the same time, and then back with your hands. That's it. So let's go from the top. So wave and back. Good. Now take your hand to the side and back, and move your other arm to the side and back as well. Good. Now from there we're going to bring your hands towards the side and again. And then bring your hands together to your chest. And you're going to make what is that shape? A heart shape. Yay! We love dancing. Did you love that? Do you love dancing? I know you do. All right, so here we go. Are we ready to do it with the music?
Yes.
All right, so let's do this.
Oh, Adelaide, hola, 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 qué bonita, hermosa. Oh, Adelaide, hola, 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 qué bonita, hermosa.
Hola amiguitos, the day has arrived. Ha llegado la hora para pasear. My city, my place, se llama Adelaide. La belleza del alma es mi ciudad. Streets son las calles, de bring us more happiness. Con mis amigos para jugar. Ven conmigo, vamos a disfrutar.
Oh, Adelaide, hola, 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 qué bonita, hermosa. Oh, Adelaide, hola, 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 qué bonita, hermosa.
Loca de autos andando, respecting each other, el peatón cruzando. Mi escuela, mi casa, las tiendas, los mares, the bring us the magic es mi ciudad. Hay playas y bosques, museos y parques, hermosos lugares para pasear. Ven conmigo, vamos a disfrutar. Beautiful people and places to enjoy. Junto estoy yo, together we grow. My city, my place, lugar tan feliz. To follow my dreams to my destiny.
Oh, Adelaide, hola, 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 qué bonita, hermosa. Oh, Adelaide, hola, 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 qué bonita, hermosa. Oh, Adelaide, hola, 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 qué bonita, hermosa.
waiting for you. La puerta está abierta, las calles de fiestas. Ven Adelaide en mi corazón.
Did you guys have some fun? We hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.
Goodbye! Hola families, this is El Ritmo. Inviting children aged 2 to 17 years old to dance right here in Adelaide CBD. Salsa, samba, merengue, cumbia, and more. Learn the moves. Feel your ritmo. Call El Ritmo today.